Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a powerful way to boost your internet speed and security using an SSH tunnel. We'll be using a service called SSH Online and the socksip Tunnel VPN app. Think of this as building a secure, high-speed tunnel for your internet traffic, making your online experience faster, smoother, and more protected from prying eyes. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your SSH server. 1. HUDP Online. Click the link to their official website. 2. Choose a plan. Select 30 days UDP Premium and then 30 UDP request servers. This will give you access to a fast and secure UDP tunnel. 3. Create an account. Enter a username, password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Click Create to set up your account. 4. Copy server details. Once your account is created, you'll see your server details displayed. Copy these details carefully, as you'll need them to connect your VPN app. Step 2. Connect your VPN app for enhanced protection. 1. Get socksip Tunnel VPN. Open the Play Store on your device and search for socksip Tunnel VPN. Download and install the app. 2. Launch socksip Tunnel VPN. Open the app on your device. 3. Choose UDP protocol. Go to the app settings and select the UDP request protocol. 4. Paste server details. Enter the server details you copied earlier into the appropriate fields within the app. 5. Connect. Tap the Connect button on the app's home screen. Now you're connected to your SSH UDP server, enjoying faster speeds, better security, and a smoother online experience. Let's stay connected. For continued support and engagement, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Important note: always be cautious when using third-party services. Ensure you are using reputable and secure services. Consider the potential risks associated with VPN usage and always prioritize your online safety.